Okay guys, so our today topic is the boiler gauge glass. So how to do the overhauling of boiler gauge glass. So guys, gauge glass is a device used to monitor the water level inside the boiler steam drum. It is located inside the steam drum, not the water drum. So how to do the overhauling process? The first one, we will isolate the gauge glass. Isolate the gauge glass means we will close the steam wall and close the water wall. As you can see in the diagram, there are two walls. In the topmost we have the steam wall, and below this we have two gaskets, and after that we have the gauge glass arrangement, and below this we have a water wall and drain wall. So the first thing we have to do to close the steam wall and close the water wall. So now the third point, which is now open the drain wall at bottom. So bottom वाला drain wall open करेंगे and all the water inside the gauge glass will be blown down. Then we have to make the gauge glass empty, as I already said. Then leave it for cooling. Then loose the nut bolt of the gauge glass cover and remove the glass sheet. And then after removing the glass sheet, we will remove the rubber gasket which are present. And sometimes the surveyors ask how many gasket we use. So the answer is two gasket on each side. The water side two gasket and the steam side two gaskets. Okay, sir. After that, removing the rubber gasket will clean all the part, and also inside the gauge glass we will clean with the help of the compressed air, and put the mica glass and rubber gasket and tighten the nut and bolt after that. Okay, then crack open the steam side and steam start coming from the drain wall. So after overhauling and cleaning, we put all the parts, and after we will do open the steam wall first. After the first steam wall, then close the drain wall. When the steam will start coming from the drain wall, then we'll close the drain wall, and then after that we will fully open the water wall first, and after that we will open the steam wall fully. In beginning we have opened the steam wall a very little throttle हमने किया था, ठीक है. Then there are two type of gauge glass also. There are tubular type gauge glass and plate type gauge glass. So if we open the steam side first, it may break the gauge glass because the latent of the steam is very high. Okay, so if surveyor question asks that why we open the steam side first, so this is the answer. If you open the steam side first, it may break the glass, so because of latent heat. So steam is very high pressure. Okay guys, hope you will like it.